all the developers out there, have you heard about the so-called modern successors of C and C++? Well, it is not surprising that new programming languages are invented daily, but it's very rare for a new programming language to take over the leading programming languages and become the much more popular in a very short time. Isn't that quite interesting? If so, the ForceBolt team is here to talk about a new programming language called Rust that has taken the programming world by storm. Hey everyone, today we will look at what's so great and not so great about the Rust programming language and why Rust is gaining popularity compared to other efficient and powerful languages. First, talking about its massive popularity, let me tell you what a prominent Microsoft official believes. From a tweet, Microsoft Azure CTO Mark Russinovich urges developers to avoid using C or C++ programming languages in new projects and move to Rust due to security and reliability concerns. In June, Rust won the title of Most Loved Language on Stack Overflow for the 7th year, with 87% of users saying they would like to continue using it. So what is Rust programming language? Rust programming language took center stage as a modular research project and was designed to be memory safe, fast, and easy to use for developers. Rust version 1.0 came out in 2015 and is now used within the Android open source project at Meta, at Amazon Web Services, at Microsoft for parts of Windows and Azure, in the Linux kernel, and many other places. With a primary focus on security and performance, this brand new language helps developers build robust and secure applications. And when compared with C or C++, which struggles with memory errors and developing concurrent programs, Rust has everything in its arsenal to give you peace of mind. The most exciting part is, not just developers, some of the biggest tech companies are also making big bets on Rust for its numerous benefits. The main reasons that are blowing up for choosing Rust are security. Rust avoids adding memory safety bugs to its code. Performance. Many of its users say it's faster than others like Java. With no runtime or garbage collector, the language can conduct different performance services, integrate with other languages, and run on embedded devices. Now let's explore what's so great about Rust language. Rust is statically typed programming language specifically designed for performance and safety. In Rust, you have the borrow checker, and it is the part of the compiler that ensures that references don't outlive the data they refer to. This feature helps you get rid of memory violation bugs. There are two ways to write code in Rust: safe Rust and unsafe Rust. Safe Rust imposes additional restrictions on the programmer to ensure that the code functions properly. Unsafe Rust gives programmers more autonomy, but code can break. Rust's dual mode model is one of its biggest advantages. In C++, you never know you've written unsafe code until at some point your software crashes or a security breach occurs. Data races free threads. Data race is when two or more threads access the exact memory location. Rust allows having threads without data races. This way, no threads will have the same variable, so it's safe to use. Safe memory allocation. Unlike the C language, Rust has manual memory management. A programmer controls where and when to allocate memory. Rust uses smart pointers to track and clean up object locations. Rust may or may not be the best language for you or your project. It may or may not be the best solution for software development, but there's something about Rust that excites everyone. There are just a few reasons why so many love Rust, and there are many more. If you want more structure in your project, faster or more efficient code, or the ability to write efficient code quicker and more securely, it's time to switch to Rust. That's all for today's video. Do like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel so we can always stay connected and you don't miss out on anything interesting from us at ForceBolt. And if you are looking for any assistance with web development or app development projects, you can rely on us to meet all your development needs. Contact us now.